Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into 4x squared plus x squared. Next, we can do about factorization by number 4. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 4 in here. Now the integration of number 4, we have 4x. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we can do about factorization by x squared. Now we can do about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over x squared, capital B over x, and capital C over x plus 1. Because we have x squared, that's why we need to have two fractions. Later that from number 2, we reduce the power to number 1. That's why we have two fractions in here. Next, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about x plus 1. So capital A multiplied by x plus 1. About this one, it is missing about x and x plus 1. So capital B multiplied by x and x plus 1. About this one, it is missing about x squared. So about this one, that is about this one. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of x. About x squared, we have b plus c. About x, we have a plus b. About the number, we have a. Now we need to compare coefficients. About x squared, we have number 1 in here. So b plus c equals to number 1. We don't have x, so a plus b equals to number 0. And the last one, a equals to number 2. So we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. A equals to number 2, B equals to negative number 2, and C equals to number 3. So we put A, B, C go in here. So A equals to number 2, B equals to negative number 2, C equals to number 3. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 over x. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of x. The integration of this one, we have 3 ln of the absolute value of x plus 1. And I will put about c. Now we return back to this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.